fresh smash burgers served hot right here in New York City. Hey y'all, today Chef Snowpaw shows you the ultimate smash burger.
Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe.
Let's get everything organized before we start cooking, y'all. Special sauce starts with mayo and ketchup. Right in.
Mustard, minced pickles, garlic powder mons. Shred your iceberg lettuce. Fresh, crispy, and cold is best.
Loose beef ball, 8 ounces. Salt and black pepper on top soup. Season it right now. Brioche bun face down in that butter hull. Golden brown perfection right there. Beef ball goes on the hot griddle van. Get ready, y'all. Smash it down hard, hold it. Those edges are everything. Look at that smash. Yeah, lacy edges, perfect crust. Season the top before the flip slayo. Salt and pepper, always. Spatula low, 1 clean flip. Look at that beautiful crust. First slice of American cheese goes right on. Watch it melt. Dome it and add steam. 10 seconds for perfect melted cheese. Oh yes, look at that perfect cheese melt right there. Special sauce on the bottom bun fare. Spread it all the way. Shredded iceberg and onion rings. Have layered fresh and crispy, y'all. 3 to 4 dill pickle chips, right on top. Perfect. Smash patty goes right on top. Look at that cheese drip.
Sauce on the top bun. Press it down nice and gentle. The ultimate smash burger, pulkere, made fresh in Chef Snowpaw's kitchen.
2 more smash burgers at once. Dow, Chef Snowpaw is in full gear.
3 ultimate smash burgers in puff, fresh, perfect, and ready to serve. America Boo, your ultimate smash burger is ready.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.